Hello guys, welcome to a new vlog. Today is about almost midnight again here, Monday. No, going Tuesday, sorry about that. Always midnight, so it's probably Tuesday and already evening in the Philippines. Well, we're back again at the gym training, but we're here at the Good Life Fitness Center, guys. And I lost my rope, so I use another rope, guys. Okay. This morning we're gonna do a different kind of routine. One of my favorite routine. We boost up our cardio a bit. This one I call it mini jump or mini hurdles. I didn't do this for a while, so probably it's time to get back at this routine. It look easy, but it totally hard, guys. Okay, I'll show it to you. That one right here. So about 1, 2, 5, 6. It's about 6, guys. Yeah, this one right here. So yeah, probably we do as much as I can, probably 3 tops 4. Okay, because that was a bit it's a bit harder routine, guys. So every time I go to the gym, not just like I'm doing lifting weights, use those machinery or equipment, I challenge. I have to create. So that's why I got alternative routine, guys. So it's easier for you if you got alternative routine. So you learn a lot and more about the gym. And yep, okay. Probably let's start cracking, guys. Okie dokie. That's a 2 set right there. So probably one more set of that mini jump or mini hurdles, guys. Yeah, that was like look easy, but it's hard to do that one. Probably let's drink water a bit. It's a bit busy morning here. Yep. Don't forget, breathe in, breathe out, stretching, warm up, 90 to 30 seconds, break time. Yeah, it's a bit busy Monday morning here, guys. Well, Tuesday. So okay, probably one more, and we're good. We're good to go. So I put the camera in there. So probably opposite side. I'll put it this side. So always remember, guys, proper arm form and technique. It gives you a good result, guys. Okay, probably one more and we're done for the Tuesday morning. Holy smoke, guys. Probably that's it. Yeah, it looks so easy, but that was tough to do it, guys. Yeah, really tough to do it. Yeah. See, I'm catching my breath right here. Yeah, this one is to boost up your stamina and your cardio And not just like that, it help a lot of your lower like legs, calves, glute, and etc. guys. Holy smoke, guys. Probably we call it to the day. So later I have to work again. Later. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you again next time. Peace out.